The Worcester Bosch Greenstar Life is designed to sit at the heart of your home. Available as a system, regular or combi boiler, it's suitable for any home and fits right in with modern life. Building on the multi-award-winning and hugely reliable Greenstar CDI Classic, the Greenstar Life improves on the features that made the Classic great. We've revamped the design and packed life with new features that make controlling your heating and hot water even easier. It's more powerful, but just as efficient, and can easily provide heating and hot water on demand for larger homes with multiple bathrooms. The new Life range features smartphone connectivity, so you can stay in control of your heating and hot water wherever you are. Our pioneering intelligent filling system can be fitted to help prevent your boiler from losing pressure and keep it working at its best when you need it most. So, if you are looking for a powerful new boiler packed with great features, the Greenstar Life range is the answer.